What's up and welcome back, it's DF Test channel. Today, Honor Vision Smart TV is the first device with Huawei's Harmony OS display. The display on the Honor Smart TV is 55 inches with a screen resolution of 3840 x 2160, 4K, and a 94% screen-to-bow body ratio. The display supports 87% NTSC wide color gamut, up to 400 nits of brightness, and 178 degrees viewing angle. The TV has received TÜV Rheinland's low blue light certification. Honor says it takes 1 second to wake the TV from the button, and 2 seconds to wake the TV using the remote control. Design: Honor says the TV is lightweight and 6.9 mm at its thinnest point. It has a full metal bezel, 3D arc design. Audio: Honor has equipped the Honor Vision with 610W speaker boxes and a 1.6L sound cavity, the Huawei Hisense surround sound effect, high-res wireless audio (HWA) support, Bluetooth 5.0 support for the remote or to connect your headset or smartphone, and a diamond pattern on the back. The Pro model also has a 1080p pop-up camera that can angle down up to 10 degrees. The camera only pops up during video calls, and when it pops up there is a light that changes colors as it interacts with the user. Audio: Honor has equipped the Honor Vision with 610W speaker boxes and a 1.6L sound cavity, the Huawei Hisense surround sound effect, high-res wireless audio (HWA) support, Bluetooth 5.0 support for the remote or to connect your headset or smartphone, and a loudness adaptation feature to normalize the volume when changing channels. The Honor Vision TV has a linear array with 6 microphones that support a 5-meter range to start the Yoyo voice assistant. Harmony OS software: the Honor Vision is the first device to run Huawei's new Harmony OS. Since this is a TV, the UI is adapted for a large screen. Honor describes the Harmony OS UI as magazine-style. The OS has integrations with multiple local Chinese services and will serve as a hub for multi-device interactions when other Harmony OS devices are released. The Vision TV includes Honor Magic Link to use your smartphone as a control for your TV with the ability to also cast your screen at 1080p resolution. Screencasting uses the DLNA standard, enabling screen sharing for games. You can also share media content straight from your phone with Huawei Share. Honor says that a 600 MB file can be shared in just 20 seconds. The built-in Yoyo voice assistant can start routines for when you're home or